TIG welding, or gas tungsten arc welding, is an important welding process used in sugar mill power plants, where reliability and precision are critical. Sugar mill power plants often operate with high-pressure boilers, steam turbines, and complex piping systems that demand strong, clean welds. TIG welding is preferred in many of these applications because it produces high-quality, defect-free welds with excellent corrosion resistance, which is crucial given the harsh conditions inside sugar mill plants. The process uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to create an electric arc, and an inert gas, typically argon, shields the weld pool from contamination. This helps prevent oxidation and other impurities that could weaken the welds. In sugar mill power plants, TIG welding is commonly used for welding stainless steel and other corrosion-resistant alloys that are found in boilers, heat exchangers, and condensers. These components are essential for converting bagasse and other biomass into steam and electricity. The precise control offered by TIG welding allows welders to join thin materials without causing distortion, which is vital for maintaining the integrity of pressure vessels and piping systems. Welders can perform TIG welding in various positions, enabling access to complex geometries within the plant. The maintenance of boilers and pressure vessels in sugar mill power plants is another critical area where TIG welding plays a key role. Boilers operate under high pressure and temperature, so welds must withstand these stresses without cracking or leaking. TIG welding's ability to produce deep penetration and strong fusion ensures that repairs and new fabrications meet the stringent safety standards required in power generation. Because sugar mills often run continuously during the crushing season, weld repairs must be done efficiently to minimize downtime, and TIG welding helps by allowing accurate, clean welds that reduce the need for extensive post-weld cleanup. In addition to stainless steel, TIG welding is used on carbon steel components within sugar mill power plants. Carbon steel is commonly used in structural supports, pipe racks, and some sections of the steam cycle. While other welding methods might be faster, TIG welding's superior weld quality is preferred in areas where strength and resistance to fatigue are critical. For example, when fabricating or repairing turbine casings or high-pressure piping, TIG welding ensures that weld joints meet the mechanical and metallurgical requirements necessary for long-term plant operation. Sugar mill power plants often require welders to work in challenging environments, including confined spaces and elevated positions.